Welcome to Spider Project tutorial. Today we are covering multi-resources. In our example, 1 kilometer road construction project with phases, activities and dependencies set up, we have also established the resource table. We started assigning resources as individual resources to our activities and also as resource skills. When we double-click on the activity line, we get into the activity form. And in Resources Assignment area, we have a number of options of what kind of assignments we can perform for that particular task. So we've looked at individual resource assignments, we've looked at resource skills assignments, and today we're covering multi-resource assignment. What is that multi-resource assignment? Let's have a look at the diagram. A multi-resource is a stable group of resources working together. We could continue assigning our resources to activities one by one based on an individual basis. But in real-life scenarios, we have a piece of machinery and a person working together, like a car and a driver. So it's much easier and faster and more efficient to create a multi-resource where these two are assigned and just assign a multi-resource at once as a whole group. Or we could create a multi-resource where we have a person assigned and a particular skill. So the resource skill would then refer to the resource available at the point in time where the task is ready for execution. So how does the multi-resource assignment work in Spider Project? We have drainage layout activity and road layout. And these two activities, they require the same resources working together as a group. At the moment, we have them as individual assignments and the resource skill assignment. And I'd like to replace that with a multi-resource assignment. How do we do that? First of all, we need to create a multi-resource. Let's go to View, Main Menu View, Resources, Multi-Resources. This is the table where multi-resources get created and stored. Let's go right-click, New, or press Insert button, double-click on that line item, and get into the multi-resource form. I'd like to call my multi-resource a layout crew, and it's important to make sure that we set up a code for that as well. Go to the participants area and add some resources from the table, resource table, and I'm going to select a grader, a machinist, and by holding a Control key you can continue selecting a worker and a scraper. Also, I'd like to add a resource skill to this multi-resource group, a bulldozer. So this way I have resources and a resource skill all assigned to the multi-resource group called layout crew. Let's save that. We can see all the participants that we've just selected. They're visible in the column as well. Let's go to the activity again. So now double-click on the activity line, go into the activity form, resource assignment area, and let's just remove these assignments here as individual assignments. And assign a multi-resource that we've just created. And the multi-resource was called a layout crew. So you can see that the whole multi-resource group is now assigned to that task. And we can do the same for the road layout. We go into the activity form, resource assignment, and remove all of these individual assignments, resource assignments, and also resource skill assignments, resource skill, delete, and assign a multi-resource, a layout crew. So now, let's see. We've got multi-crews assigned to drainage layout and road layout. And what if we'd like to make a change and we decide that we need 2 workers instead of 1? And you can see there's a quantity column. I've just inserted this column so we can actually see how many resources we've got in that assignment. Let's go to our multi-resource again. Main menu view, resources, multi-resources. Double click on that resource, multi-resource line item, go into participants area. And here, if I want to change the workers now from 1 to 2, I need to make sure that I hit the update content button for all of the future assignments to get updated in my plan. And if I go back to the activity get, we can see that now I have 2 workers for both activities, as these have been assigned as multi-crews. So using multi-resource assignments in Spider Project is a very powerful approach because it allows you faster schedule development, it reduces errors in resource assignments, and also makes it much easier and simpler to run any schedule updates. Thank you very much for watching this video today, and hopefully you enjoyed it. And see you next time. Bye-bye.